Good morning, my friends. I got the winter uniform on my Soviet Tank Riders by Miniart, and now I've just put a neutral grey filter over them, oil filter. So what I did was I primed them in like a NATO black, and then very lightly from the top went over them with a light layer of white that was slightly dulled down with sand yellow. And then now they've got just a grey filter, oil filter. So you can see all the shininess, that's the grey filter. So that's how they're looking. And then once that's all done, we can give them a bit of a dry rash, and then we can do the details and then put them on the tank. Yeah, they're pretty cool if they would focus. Yeah, I like them. They'll look really nice when they've got their details done up. But I found a grey filter really works well with the white. I don't know, it does nice. Because this is its tank. And I started to do its dirt last night, but it's still drying. Don't put it on so thickly. But that got its grey filter as well. Nearly ready for action. And the crew. Also starting to do some pin washing in the front of this. It's a nice little tank. It's an old tank I did by Tamiya, 2006 release. So I'm reconditioning it. I haven't reconditioned any of the underneath. So obviously ages ago I covered that in mud. But we can fix all this. Make it all good. But yeah, so right now just giving it a real dirty metallic feel. Alright guys, see you again soon.